Assalamu alaikum students, this is your teacher Farwa Batul and today we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 2A. The book is D1, okay, and the topic is integers, rational numbers and real numbers. Okay, in this question, basically we need to fill some of the blanks that are given to us with appropriate answers. Okay, it is comprising of 4 fill in the blanks, right, starting from A. Okay, in A, it is given that if minus 6 represents 6 meter below sea level, then plus 30 represents what? Okay, just keep one thing in mind. If you have two opposite numbers, like if a number is positive and the other number is negative, then definitely there will be a reverse of the process. Like if something is going upward and it is represented by with plus sign, right? Then definitely the negative number is going to reverse that particular direction or it will be downward now. Same is the case with this blank. It is said that if you are, let's suppose this is your sea level. If you are going below the sea level, like you are going this way, then you are representing this distance with a negative number. How much below you are going? 6 meters. So I have represented it with minus 6. Right? So since negative number is showing the direction that is below or downward, right? So the opposite of it means the plus positive number is going to show the opposite direction to it, or you are going to move in a reverse direction. If you are going below sea level, then it is represented with a negative number. So now if I have plus 30 means now it's a positive number. So the direction will be changed. From below, it will be above now. Now you need to move above. And how much above? It is said over here. This particular number plus 30 tells you that how much above you need to go. Right? You need to go 30 meters above. Why? Because when it was minus 6, we moved 6 meters below sea level. Right? So when it is plus 30, it means we need to move 30 meters above sea level, right? So this is what you need to write in this blank, that plus 30 represents 30 meter above sea level, right? So I hope it is clear to you. Now let's move towards another fill in the blank. Okay, in this fill in the blank, it is said that if plus 40 represents depositing $40 in the bank, then a withdrawal of $35 is represented by. First of all, you must know that what is meant by depositing and what is meant by withdrawal. Let's suppose this is your bank account, right? And you need to deposit. Deposit means you are putting something into your bank. You have $40, you deposited it into the bank and you represent it with a positive number, plus 40. Plus 40 means that it is a positive number when you are depositing something into the bank. So if the process is reversed or you are doing reverse of the process, it means you are taking money out of the bank. Then it is called withdrawal. Here it is deposit and here it is withdrawal. Yani you are taking something out of the bank. So how much money you are taking out? $35. But I cannot represent it with a plus sign. I cannot say that it is plus 35. Why? Because positive number represents deposit, that something is depositing into the bank. So if the process is reversed or the thing that you are doing, the step is reversed, now it is withdrawal. Withdrawal means you are doing opposite to deposit. So now you need to represent with a negative number. So how much negative? Minus 35. Why 35? Because 35 is the amount that is going out of your bank. So it will be represented by minus 35. So what is to be written over here? Right? I need to write minus 35 in this plan. So I hope this is clear to you. Now we are moving towards part C. Okay, in part C, if minus 60 degree represents a clockwise rotation, Keep in mind that it's a negative number, minus, and it is representing what? Clockwise rotation. Clockwise means like this. So, clockwise rotation of what? 60 degrees. Then plus 30. Now the sign is changed. Now you have plus, positive. And how much? Plus 30 degrees. So now you need to represent it with what? If it was clockwise when you were negative, then now the thing needs to be changed. It must be opposite to it. Now the process will be anti-clockwise. Why? Because now it is positive number. When the number is positive, it is definitely going to change the process, right? If the negative number represents clockwise rotation, then definitely a positive will going to represent, sorry for this, then the positive number is definitely going to represent anti-clockwise, right? Anti-clockwise rotation. And of how much degrees? If it was 60, I have represented it 60 degree. And if it is plus 30, then definitely I will represent over here anti-clockwise rotation of 30 degree. So this is what is to be written in this blank, that plus 30 degree represents an anti-clockwise rotation, clockwise rotation of 30 degree, right? Let's move towards the last one. Okay, in this last blank, it is said that plus 45 represents a speed of 45 kilometers per hour of a car that is traveling east. We know that we have four different poles: north, south, east, west. So if my car is moving towards east, traveling towards east like this is my car, it is moving in this direction towards east with how much speed? Plus 45. Now, if this particular speed is represented in negative, negative means now you need to change your direction. Negative means now the direction will be changed. If it was a positive number plus 45, then you were going where? Towards east. So definitely if it is minus 45, it means now you need to change your direction. Right? Now, due to this negative sign minus 45, now you will be traveling towards west. So what is written in this blank? Then minus 45 represents what? It represents a speed of, the speed remains the same. The speed will remain the same. Why? Because it was plus 45 initially and it just changed with a negative sign. But the magnitude, the number remains the same, that is 45. So the speed of 45 kilometers per hour of a car, but now it is traveling west. So you will write like this. So this is the whole blank, that minus 45 represents a speed of 45 kilometer per hour of a car, but now it is traveling west. So this is how you need to do this question. I hope these four blanks are clear to you. If you have still any problem in understanding it, then please comment below. I will definitely going to explain you one more time. Thank you so much, class. Take care. See you in the next video with another question. Take care. Bye-bye.